And doing a strut replacement is broken, and to have something hold the lift gate while these two struts are removed, because nothing holding it, it will come down like that. Okay, it will come down right away. So I got a ladder here, and I got some piece of wood, a box, but still a gap up there. So we can still put finger there. So how do I fill the gap? Or what? And what the best way to keep it open like this, so I can remove the strut that easy. So today I'm showing you the best way to support the lift gate while the struts are removed. So what's the best way to do it? This. Every car has one of these. It's a jet stand. So put the jet stand here, and then prevent from damaging this the body panel. Get a piece of wood in between. And then after that, make sure that they are in the center. All center. And then turn this until these have some resistance. You don't have to turn all the way up, otherwise you will damage this part. Wait until you feel some resistance. That's it. So now the strut is removed while putting in a new one. You see that? The hole doesn't match. So you cannot even put a screw there. After the old one removed, you put the new one in. So the way I do it is using that right here. I replace the wood block with a bolt for safety reason, because if the wood block come down, it may injure your feet or damage the car. Adjust it. See, getting better. Not perfect. See, adjust a little bit more. Now it's perfect. See, this is the way to do it. You can do some fine adjustment, make sure the hole matches. And you're going to put the screw in. Now you see the hole doesn't really fit, so I need to adjust it a little bit more. Now it's perfectly fit. All right. So this is how I adjust, fine-tuning the height to fit the new strut in. Alright, thanks for watching. Please help to hit the like button. See you later.